Hello everyone, let's do some web stuff. So you created your game or prototype, switched to WebGL in build settings, and what now? Let's see what are the next steps. Usually if you build your game for Windows or Android, you can get exe or APK file, you open it and it works. But with the web build you need some preparation. Main problem is if you build your game and place build in some folder, once the build is over, you can't open your game in any browser. If you try, you will get these messages that your browser does not support running Unity WebGL content from file. First and easiest solution is to go with the build and run option. Then the file will be temporarily hosted in a local web server and opened from the local host URL. And as long as your engine is opened, you can test your game on this URL. But if you close your engine, this URL is no longer available. Second solution is that I personally use is to host game on your server locally. For that I use Python. So before we go with this solution, check if you have Python installed. To check that, open command prompt and type python -- version, and if you have Python installed, it will be displayed below the command. If you don't have Python installed, go and install it. You can follow some tutorial on YouTube on how to install Python. Once you have a Python install, go to the folder where your game build is located. While holding Shift, right-click and choose Open PowerShell window here. When PowerShell opens, type this command python -m http://server. This command will start up the server in our folder. This says that this is using port 8000, so go to your browser and type localhost :8000. And now your game will run. Lastly, let's see how to test your web build on a mobile phone using this server we hosted. So for this you need to enable USB debugging on your phone. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube how to do that. After that, connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Open Chrome browser and type Chrome Inspect Devices, like this. Enable Discover USB Devices and Discover Network Targets. Click on Port Forwarding and enable Port Forwarding and add 800 port to the list. If you set up everything correctly, your phone should appear on this list. Now, if your server is running, you can go to your phone and type localhost :8000. You will get a pop-up message, but just click OK, and the game will run on your phone. If you want to remove that message, you need to edit one file in your build folder. Go to your build folder and edit index file with your text editor. And just above Unity instance, add this line. This line of code will be in the description of the video. And this line will disable that pop-up message. Restart server, and now when you reload the page, message is not on the screen and game starts immediately. And that's it for this video. In this video we managed to run our game on a web browser and also on a browser of a mobile phone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to support me more, you can do that by supporting me on Patreon or buy one of my assets at Unity Asset Store. Discord channel was launched few days ago, so come and join. Also follow me on socials. All links are in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.